Why life feels heavier after 60, and what you can change in 2026 around the corner. Do you ever wake up and think, huh, why does life feel heavier now, even though I'm doing everything right? If that's you, I want you to stay with me because what you're feeling is real and it has a name. And 2026 can look completely different. Hi, I'm Holly. After 44 years in real estate, I found myself needing to start over. At an age society often tells us to slow down, but slowing down wasn't an option. Rebuilding became my only choice and the beginning of a completely new chapter in my life. Life didn't used to feel this complicated. One income supported an entire household. Groceries didn't take your breath away at the checkout line. Retirement meant security, not fear. But today, so many people over 55, 60, 70, and so on are quietly struggling, carrying the weight of rising costs, shrinking paychecks, and uncertainty about the future. You're not alone. One, the world changed faster than we were prepared for. Inflation has climbed 20 to 40% in the categories people over 60 rely on most: food, healthcare, and insurance. Two, Social Security hasn't kept pace. Most retirees lose purchasing power every single year. Three, Companies are downsizing and the over 50 group is hit hardest. Four, and truthfully, it's exhausting to carry everything on your own. Many feel stuck, scared, or embarrassed to start over. Here's the truth: starting over is not failure, starting over is strength. Think of your life like a bookshelf. For years, you've been stacking responsibilities and worries and pressures on the same old shelf. Eventually, even the strongest shelf begins to bow. What you need is not to throw the shelf away. You just need one new support beam to support everything all together. So let me ask you, if one new stream of stability could remove even 30% of your stress, how differently would you breathe going into 2026? Options don't just give you money, they give you dignity, confidence, and the ability to say, I'm going to be okay. Yay! I didn't get here because life was easy. I got here because I refused to believe that my best years were behind me, and neither should you. Watch next, my links below. If this resonated, watch this next. It's the perfect follow up. Feeling stuck after 60. Here's what to do. As mentioned, the link is below. If you'd like weekly calm, clarity, and encouragement, I'd love for you to subscribe. And I'm here to help as well. You are never too old to reinvent the story you're living.